Hi friends, let us thank God that we are safe. Last class we have seen chapter 3 word processor, creating and managing, formatting, editing tables in MS Word. Today we are going to see 3 other features of MS Word 2013. The first point is spelling and grammar. You can see here red wavy line here. Here you can see green wavy line, and there may be a blue wavy line also. The blue wavy line indicates grammatical mistakes. Blue wavy line indicates grammatical mistakes. Suppose you have written instead of is, was, has, have. If it is a red line means there is a misspelled word. Example here you see tabli. Actually we need only one E. If I delete, now you see here red wavy line gone. Now here if I type my name Lijo, see here again red wavy line. Why it shows it is a misspelled word? I am sure that my name spelling is Lijo. Still it shows, computer says no, you are wrong. How can they say it is wrong? Whichever word we type in MS Word, it will compare with an internal dictionary. If the word is not there, it will show red wavy line. It says misspelled word. Then here you see green wavy line. Unwanted space, unwanted symbols. If anything comes, it will show blue or green wavy line. How we can find and correct it? Which is the shortcut key to check spelling and grammar? F7. Spelling and grammar. And compare with English United States Dictionary. Ignore once. If you click on ignore once, only this word will ignore that red, blue or green wavy line. Ignore. Ignore means leave it. Ignore all means wherever I have typed tabli, you cannot see any wavy line under this word. Or here if I select the word Lijo, there is no word at all. Then limo, lido, some suggestion they have given. I am sure that my spelling is this one, Lijo. Then you can add to the internal dictionary. Then it never shows any wavy line. Next option is change. There are different suggestions given by the dictionary. Either capital letter L, type Lijo, or limo, lido. If you click here, only this word will change. If I click change all, wherever there is a word Lij or small letter, it will convert to the selected one here. Or autocorrect. Autocorrect means computer itself will select any one from these. I hope spelling and grammar is clear. Next point. Thesaurus. It is a tool provides a list of synonyms. Synonym means words with similar meaning. Example, if I type fill, what is the shortcut key to get the thesaurus? Shift plus F7. Or go to review tab, proofing group and thesaurus. Click there. See here fill. There are many synonyms: plug, block, block up, seal, stop, fill up, pack, load. There are many. If it is a new version of MS Office, you will get its pronunciation also. Always I use the word press. I want another word. So what you will do? Just you double click and click on review tab, proofing group and click on thesaurus. Now there are, instead of press you can use which key will you push or depress, force down, compress, squash. There are many synonyms. Is it clear? Then the last point of today is find and replace. As you have seen, the spelling of table, one E is added. Here also one E is added. By mistake, instead of table, I typed tablies. So what I have to do? I have to find wherever I typed tabli. Go to which tab? Home tab. Editing group, find and replace. So click on find. Find what? Tabli. Then I am finding. I am clicking here. Look here. Find next. One time. Here tablies. Next. Tablies. Next. So see here. So this much times I have typed wrong spelled. Then if I click here, reading highlight, highlight all. Then you see here, word highlighted 13 items. That means 13 times I have typed tabli. Like that you can find. Suppose you want to replace, then click again. What is the steps? Go to home tab, editing group and click on replace. Here tabli. Replace with the table. Then you will find next. Find next means this is the selected one. Replace. That word is changed. Again find next. This is the next one. Replace. That means replace means single word will replace. If I click on replace all, wherever I have written tabli, it will change to table. Look here, I am clicking on replace all with a single click. The word has reached the end of the document. 3 replacements were made. Do you want to continue searching in the beginning? Yes or no, you can give. Finished. Word has completed search and document has made 11 replacement. 3 already I did and 11 now. So today's only 3 points, that is started with the spelling and grammar, thesaurus and find and replace. Friends, understanding the online classes is secondary. Understand your parents, especially in the situation of COVID-19 pandemic. Help them and follow COVID-19 prevention campaign. Thank you.